Google has launched the new Pixel Watch 3, which is finally available in two sizes. There's a 41mm and a 45mm size, so you'll be able to get the Pixel Watch that fits your wrists the best. On both sizes, you'll get a larger display that's an LTPO OLED display that can range up to 2000 nits in peak brightness, or all the way down to 1 nit minimum brightness for those dark environments. It has a range of fitness tracking sensors too. On the back, you'll get a heart rate monitor, blood oxygen sensor, and an ECG sensor. Plus, it has a skin temperature sensor. And there are a range of fitness tracking features built into the software. For example, there are all new daily readiness, cardio load, and target load scores. For runners, there's a new run planning mode that can allow you to set up runs and have the watch guide you through things like sprints and slower jogs. The new Pixel Watch 3 is available in both Wi-Fi and cellular models, and it comes in a few great looking colors. I really like the fact that the Pixel Watch 3 is finally available in two sizes, and those fitness tracking features are likely to be very helpful.